Patrol 17, 18, and yeah, had it for a few years now, so that's good. So just my dad and my granddad sort of used to tinker around with their cars, and just sort of started hanging around with a group of friends, and they were into four-wheel drives, and yeah, just sort of progressed from there, really. When I was a young fella with my dad and my granddad, just sort of going around to the beaches and camping and everything, and then yeah, as the years progressed, started getting more and more into cars, and yeah, just again hanging out with the friends group right into the four-wheel drive scene and the winch trucks, and just yeah, progressed from there really. Oh, my first car was a 1999 Toyota Hilux Extra Cab, the old 3-litre diesel. Had it for a few years, and then yeah, sort of finished my P-plates and went to the Patrol, and haven't looked back since. When I first purchased the Patrol, it was a completely grandpa spec GU, leaf rear, side steps, had all the grandpa stuff, side steps, and yeah, sort of converted it to what it is today, to a long arm rear, long arm front ute, custom built canopy and tray, build everything myself. It just gives me a good sense of pride, and I put all my passion into it. I love building things, love getting hands on, and just to be able to say I've built that, that's all my doing, I'm quite proud of it. My ideal campsite would probably up the beach somewhere, nice little secluded spot, just sitting around a campfire with the mates, just having a nice chill afternoon, having a few beers, and yeah, it's nice weather. No, I haven't really got any future plans, unless something drastically happens. Just sort of keep it as it is, really. Just poke along with it. Pretty happy with how it's set up and how it functions.
Make sure to watch part 2 of this rig rundown, where I take you through a detailed look at all its features, as well as take it through my 4 challenges. Winch! Grab the winch.
Yeah, Robert, you get your cooler. Well, hold it, Jarrod, hold it. You're on, good, mate. Go, look. Whoa!